In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand all in Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a small project or handling multiple tasks across different spaces, being able to quickly view all the details is key to maintaining efficiency and organization. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to head over to wrike.com. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the web address, or simply clicking on the link if you have it saved as a bookmark. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll find the login button. Go ahead and click it. Enter your email address and password, and just like that, you're in. Now that you've logged in, the next step is to choose where you want to expand all the elements. In Wrike, you can view your projects and tasks in several ways, but for this purpose, we'll focus on the table view or Gantt chart. These views allow you to see your projects and tasks in a structured format, making it easier to manage and visualize. Once you are in the desired view, look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll find a small triangular icon known as a caret, pointing to the right. This icon is located next to the name of your folder, project, or space you're working in. To expand everything at once, simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard, or CMD if you're using a Mac, and click the caret. By doing this, all the subfolders and tasks within will be revealed. It's a simple trick that can save you time and allow you to see everything at a glance. If you prefer another method, don't worry, there's an alternative. You can make use of the expand all option that Wrike generously provides. As you look at your toolbar, you'll notice this option is readily available. In case you're in the Gantt chart view, you can find the expand all option in the drop-down menu of the expand button that's located in your toolbar. Simply click on it, and just like that, all your tasks and subtasks will unfold before your eyes. By using these steps effectively, you can easily expand all your elements in Wrike, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks, which is especially useful when you're dealing with complex projects that need a keen eye for detail. These simple actions can greatly enhance your workflow. And there you have it, you now know how to expand all items in Wrike quickly and efficiently. This will help you keep your projects organized and your productivity up. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project managing.